Getting sketchy. For me, I've noticed from these dead stops, it's all about how you get it immediately off the ground. Because if you bring it up and let go of the gas right away, you're gonna start to tip over left and right, and then you'll end up going like that, is what I see, or what I feel. But I've noticed if you kind of chase it up into balance point, it doesn't feel as fucking crazy to you. It kind of, you float it up in there. I got this back protector going into my pants. I'd fucking fail on the streets, let me tell you that. It'd be an oncoming 2 seconds. Let's pull one back this way, if we can. Nope. I don't know if that bounced. I just want to get up straight. Fuck me. I'm getting sloppy here, I think. I gotta wait for stoppies, like actually to push them until I have somebody come to the lot with me. One, just somebody here and or that knows what they're doing. That'll do, baby. That was a pretty solid one.
Hottest stash in the carpet. Yeah, we trapping out apartments. I ain't done where you start shit.